Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and tools. Back up everything you need to keep, then create a Windows 10 recovery USB so you can repair if needed. Make sure BitLocker is turned off and you're signed in with an administrator account. This prevents permission roadblocks. Next, open Disk Management to identify the partitions and note their letters and sizes, because you'll need to target the correct OS partition. Mistakes here can erase the wrong drive. Once booted to the recovery environment, choose Troubleshoot and open Command Prompt to run disk part. You'll list disks, select the disk with the OS, then list and select the target partition and run Delete Partition Override to remove it. Make sure you recognize the partition by size and label so you don't remove EFI or recovery by accident. Those keep the system bootable. After deletion, exit and reboot to verify the partition is gone. Then inspect. You finish by deciding how to use the freed space, create a new partition, or extend an existing volume in Disk Management. If you removed one OS from a multi-boot setup, repair the bootloader with BCD boot C, /Windows, or run automatic repair from the USB so Windows boots cleanly. If something goes wrong, restore your backup or perform a clean reinstall from the recovery media. As a troubleshooting tip, if the PC won't boot, re-enable the recovery USB and run startup repair before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.